it's Aubrey. If you guys are new here, hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an H&M haul, and this is the first haul that I've done on my channel with H&M, and I have bought my girls' bed duvet covers from online, and I really loved them. I just haven't seen a lot of good home decor pieces until now that I've like really been curious to try. So I thought it'd be fun to do an H&M haul with you guys today, and we're gonna try, well, I guess we're kind of doing like a first look, and I'm gonna give you guys my opinions and my thoughts. I also ordered some candles because why not? And of course we have to try candles. So yeah, we're gonna have a good time, and I want to get started. So I have my box here that arrived the other day. It came in this big old, actually not too big, medium size. But it arrived yesterday, and I wanted to try out a few of their, just their home products. And the first ones I want to show you guys are these green khaki velvet pillow covers. And you guys know I love dark olive green. I think it's such a rich and classy color. So I thought I would give these a try out because I want some colored throw pillows for my sofa in my living room. So I ordered, okay, this is a much larger than I thought. This is the cotton velvet cushion cover. This is in the size 24 by 24. I really, you know, maybe I do. No, this is a pretty big pillow. Okay, I'm gonna have to order an insert. I thought it's gonna be a little bit smaller, but this is the size. It's quite big. I'll probably have to order an insert from Amazon, but stay tuned. Check out one of my vlogs coming up, and I will fill you guys in on how these look. But I love the color. It's not like, it's a little bit more muted, but just like it ties in my living room rug perfectly. And I also think it would look really nice against my leather chairs as well. So I love these. I believe I thought I bought 2 of them. Let's see, these were only $12.99, which I thought, oh no, I only got 1. Darn it. Well, anyways, these were $12.99 for 1, and this is the dark khaki green. I will link all of these items down below in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. So I'm very happy with the color. I just need to get the correct insert for that pillow. Okay, I also ordered a new throw blanket for my living room because I've had this really beautiful green one over here that I purchased from Amazon. Actually, let me show you guys. So I've had this one from Amazon that I purchased, but over the last few weeks, my kids have, you know, gotten the best of it, and they've been having fun taking off the tassels. So fun. So the blanket's pretty much coming unhinged, if you will. So I thought I'd try out a new throw blanket for my living room. And this one is the Jacquard Weave Throw. This was $24.99. This is in the color taupe. And this is a 51 by 67. So it's a little bit bigger than my green throw that I currently have. Oh, this is nice. I think what I really like about this one is that it's much softer than my green one from Amazon, and I love the cream tassels. It's really neutral, and I think that would look really good for summertime. I'm thinking about doing like a summer refresh, a little summer decorate with me in the next month or 2. And so I think this throw blanket's gonna work really nice. It's super soft, and I really love the fringe. Very neutral, very me. I just love neutrals. I don't know why. There's something, the most color I will do is the dark olive green. But yeah, I actually really love, this is super nice, super soft. And I believe this material, let's look at this material real quick. The composition just says it's 100% acrylic. The blanket is very soft, and I really like it. I'm very excited to incorporate this comfy throw in my living room, maybe like on the side of the couch or something. Okay, we also have, I was very excited to try this out. Okay, so this was a new item from H&M, and usually like their home decor, I haven't really been, it's not really my style, except they came out with these new pedestal bowls. This is a wooden pedestal bowl. It's $34.99. It comes in the color beige, and I thought this would be really fun to try out. And so let's open this up. It comes in a wrapping like this. Okay, that is amazing. Look at this bowl. So beautiful. I actually love the size. It's not too big. I believe they had a different style as well, but I really liked this one. This was $34.99. I feel like that's a really affordable price. Let's see if it says anything specific. No. What I'm really loving about this bowl is that it's exactly how it looks online. There's nothing worse when you order something online and it comes in nothing like the picture. This is absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's gonna match my decor perfectly. I'm probably going to use this on my coffee table, dress this up for a new setting for summer, kind of like refresh it and switch some things up. I love decorating my home in seasons, and just to kind of like, you know, swap a few things out, not doing anything crazy, but just adding a few little new knickknacks that I love. This is a complete winner. I absolutely love it. $34.99. You guys, I think you guys are gonna love this too. Anyways, I'll link this down below. I also ordered the bowl as well. And okay, so this is what I thought. So this bowl is mango wood. And I was pretty sure that this was mango wood as well. It doesn't say that on the description for this pedestal bowl, but it does say that on this bowl, and they look like they're the exact same material. This is their mango wood plant pot. Now this actually doesn't have a hole at the bottom, so ideally I wouldn't really use this for a plant unless you're gonna keep it in the original planting base to set it in. I really love the color though. I love the shape. The size is perfect too. This was $24.99, and I just love the way it looks. It's so like neutral and a little rustic, but I love the coloring of the wood. I want to grab a plant real quick. I have one right here, and I want to show you guys what a plant would look like in this bowl. This is a real Nicodemus. It's called a Nicodemus goldfish plant. And I had this in another pot, but I want to show you guys, if you kept a plant in its original planting pot, you can just put it like this, doing something like that, where it's so cute. Yeah, this plant might be a little too big, like the planter pot itself, but at least you can get the idea of what it would look like. Love the bowl, only $24.99, love the color. And yeah, I mean, you also don't have to put plants in it, but I think, you know, just to use it as a good styling piece as well. I'm very thrilled with those wooden bowls. Very pleased, very happy. So next we have, the Stoneware baking dish. Let's see where this is. Okay, so I believe this would be the baking dish. It comes in a box like this. And let me see if we can open it here. Oh my gosh, how cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit different, but let me pull up the listing here. This is the Stoneware baking dish. It was $29.99, and I got this because I love to entertain and have family and friends over for dinners and birthdays and gatherings, and so I am starting to really love pretty baking dishes. And so I saw this one on H&M and I was like, okay, that's different, it's unique, it's kind of cool. I don't think this is gonna be for everybody, but this is what it looks like. It's definitely more rich in color in person, but I thought it's pretty cool. This was $29.99. In the pictures online, it's more white. I feel like this one is definitely more spotted and brown. I don't mind it because if you do, you know, mac and cheese or something, it would just be the edges that show up. I think it's really pretty. It's unique, kind of cool and fancy. The last few items are candles, and I ordered 3 different kinds. This first one is, the name is not on the package, but let's see. It comes in a little box like this. And, okay, so this one is the scented candle in a glass holder. This was $12.99. This is the scented candle in eucalyptus. It looks like this. Cute. I love the green jar. A warm, sweet, and herbaceous scent floats in the air, creating a fresh and calming scent. It's okay. I'm not gonna lie. It's okay. It's really light. So I'm gonna be curious to see how this burns. This is something I'd probably like burn in the bathroom. It's okay. I'm not, when I say I love it, but it's not bad. It's just mediocre. It's fine. Fine, fine, fine. So that candle was $12.99. I also have this other candle. Okay, the next candle we have, this is so small. Much smaller than I thought. This is the Salted Sea candle, and this is the lemon and coconut and blossoming tiare, reminisce of a day at the beach. This is much smaller than I thought. No, not loving this one. Okay, this one was $12.99. It's fine. It's fine. Don't love it, but this is what the scent looks like in the little jar. I think I don't like the size of it for $12.99, to be honest. The scent's like okay, not really loving it. But to be honest, I'll probably still end up burning it. You know what I mean? Like having this in a guest bathroom that really never gets touched, I'll probably put that candle in there. Okay, the last candle that I have is the scented candle in a glass jar. This is the Clean Cotton scent. And I've always been curious to try their candles, but the one thing about ordering candles online is that it's pretty much like you're shooting in the dark. Like you don't know how it smells. There's no way for you to know if it's good or bad because everybody's scent's a little bit different. This candle was $17.99, so this one was a little bit more expensive. You guys, the size is so small. Okay, this is the size of it. The aroma is 3%. I'm not really sure what that means. The description says the smell of freshly laundered fabric, emitting notes of citrus. Let's see, it has this little clear tab. It's fine. Like, it's fine. I'm not really gonna say that I love these compared to like other different candles, but this is what it looks like. It's in a really cute jar, which I like. I don't like the size of it for the price. Would I buy these again? Probably not. It's fine. Like, it's not great. Not great. So I don't recommend their candles, to be honest. I don't like the size of them for the price. I'm really loving these wooden bowls and the wooden pedestals. I think this is an absolute hit. Very excited to decorate with these. So cute for the kitchen, bookshelves, bookcases, coffee tables, you name it. You will definitely see those styled in my house. And I really love the throw blanket and the khaki pillow cover. I think those were an absolute hit. The baking dish, now that I'm like looking at it from afar, I'm not really loving it. I don't like the print. I don't like the speckle. Maybe if it was like more just like brown, maybe, but the baking dish and the candles are a miss. So I'm not really happy with that, but overall, not too bad. Not too bad for a haul. Thank you guys so much for checking out my Amazon haul. If you guys love shopping videos, I have a lot of great Amazon videos I think you guys would like, so don't forget to check out those down below.